So today we're going to go a little deeper into a couple of the lines in the 15th Pauri of Japji Sahib, and I want to take a moment to reframe the journey from the 8th Pauri to the 15th Pauri. So Guru Nanak devotes 20% of Japji to these two key concepts of Sunya, sorry, my writing, and Mane. And Sunya and Mane is a process of knowing, of how we can know as human beings. Sunya is about developing the capacity to listen very deeply, listen neutrally, listen objectively, listen with your whole being without any voices in your head, trying to argue about what you're hearing. And then Mane is the second stage where you trust, you agree, you obey what is revealed to your psyche in the process of listening. And when we get to the 15th Pauri of Japji, Guru Nanak basically says this is the road to liberation. So these lines come, Mane pave mokh duar, Mane parvare sadhar, and they're very powerful lines. So Mane, this ability to trust and agree to what you hear when you listen, through it you obtain mokh, liberation, mokh duar, the door. All right. So earlier in Japji Sahib, Guru Nanak talks about how mokh duar, the door of liberation, is found within the human form and that it's a gift to be born human. The way we access that mokh duar is to develop this capacity to sunya and mane, to listen deeply and then learn to trust what we hear when we're listening. Another thing that mane does, and this is another powerful statement, parvare sadhar. So sadhar, it means to set right or to amend. Parvare is family. So by learning how to listen and trust what you hear, it gives you the capacity to basically liberate your family with you. In other words, it doesn't matter if everyone around you gets it or understands it. If you're practicing Sunya and Mane, then your family is getting liberated with you. Just by being connected to you, your practice is helping to set the affairs of the family right and helping to amend whatever may be mistaken in your family karma.